Guys, today we are going to talk about how to add the voice effect on TikTok video. So let's go to this application. Later, let's shoot a new video as an example after tapping on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Let's say something like, "Hi, guys." Okay. So let's pick on the check mark later, and when you can edit the recording, let's pick on the arrow on this side and choose the voice effects option. Amazing! After I will choose the second one, the second effect. Wait a minute please, and let's check the result.
Okay. Hi, guys. Okay.
I don't know if you can hear the result, but yes, it was. So to save this video, let's pick on the next, and after to post or to go to the drafts. So if this video was useful and interesting, don't forget about likes. Have a good time with us, guys. Subscribe on our channel, and bye bye.